Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and our clients sometimes have questions about what they can do to help care for their senior cat. We've written down these questions, and my assistant Ariana is going to be reading them.
Dr. Caldwell, what are some things I can do to make my aging cat more comfortable?
There's a few things that you can do to help your aging cat feel more comfortable. Minor things such as giving them a nice bed, sometimes giving them a little heating blanket can all be great, but also kind of attending to their individual needs. If they're acting painful or if they seem to be slowing down, taking them to the veterinarian to make sure they don't have signs of arthritis or mouth pain or something like that can be really beneficial. But just kind of helping support them, baby them a little bit. They're kept creatures and we're going to keep them that way, especially as they get older.
How do I know if my senior cat is in pain?
Pain in cats can be really, really difficult to assess. Sometimes really minor changes, such as a rough hair coat, can be indicative of arthritis because they don't want to actually bend around and groom themselves. Sometimes a rough hair coat can actually be mouth pain as well because they don't want to physically groom themselves. However, maybe they're grooming just fine, but they don't want to jump up on the couch or jump off of the couch like they used to. All those things can be signs of pain. So just watching for what we used to do and what we do now can really determine if there is pain, and if there is pain, where the pain might be.
Does my senior cat need to be vaccinated?
There are several vaccines that we have for cats. We do recommend vaccines though, but it really just depends on which vaccines we need. If we're going to be strictly indoors and we're not interacting with other cats, well, then those vaccines are going to be different from if we're outdoors and we're still interacting with other cats.
How do I know if my senior cat has a good quality of life?
You're going to know if your senior cat has a good quality of life just by watching, just to see how they are, right? Are they doing the basics? Are they eating? Are they drinking? Are they maintaining weight? Do they seem to be having bouts of playfulness? Now, they're not going to be playing all day like a kitten would. However, do they have moments where they act like a kitten? Those are going to be really important ways that we determine if they have a good quality of life.
Why does my senior cat sometimes yowl at night?
Senior cats can yowl at night for several different reasons. If they start to get older, and when they start to get older, sometimes they lose their vision and their hearing. If they lose those senses, sometimes they can get confused at night and they just start howling. Sometimes they're scared as well. I mean, if you can't see as well or hear as well, sometimes the world's a scary place at nighttime. However, sometimes they're also painful. I mean, arthritis, if that flares up and it's at nighttime, they're going to yowl for you. So those are all reasons why a cat can yowl at night. Well, I hope this answered your questions. If there's anything else we can answer for you, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.